Hello, little artists!
Hello, little artists!
Today, my little assistants Sophia, Bjorn and I are welcoming you to our new art lesson. And we continue our ABC's art challenge. We are on the letter E. E for evening. Today we will recreate the painting of a famous artist, Mondrian. And we will be painting with very unusual technique. These are soft pastels and we will be smudging the colors with the fingers. Would you like to open it? Wow, look at these colors! It's a rainbow in a box! Let's get busy! Let's look at this painting and tell me what colors do you need to recreate this?
Red.
Red, very well. And this painting is called Red Tree. And tiny bit of yellow here and there. And blue, this very deep blue, very beautiful color. That's it. That's pretty much what we need to recreate this painting. Shall we start with drawing a tree trunk? Would you like to draw it yourself?
Let's draw it together.
I'll split this block of pastel and we will be drawing together with Sophia. I begin with drawing a tree trunk and I'm trying to repeat these shapes that Mondrian did. It goes bending to the right. Yes, very well.
Yeah.
It would be very easy to climb on it. It has very strong trunk and many strong branches. Beautiful red color. Goes here. And smaller branches.
Small.
Very well. Wonderful. Let's draw more branches. Let's stop here and now what we can do, with your finger you can smudge these colors to create this beautiful even strokes. Yeah, just smudge them. You can smudge here too. So instead of those lines, we create this smooth, even color red. I love it. You see, it's evening, and that's why it's quite dark and blue. Now let's create the blue sky. Go around the branches with the blue color, like this. Yeah, wonderful. Very well.
It's night.
It's not night yet, it's getting dark, so it's evening. And let's do the same on this side. Just go around the branches. You can use also the side of the pastel cube and do this. Yes, draw with the side. And then with your fingers, do pretty much the same, just smudge these colors, smudge this beautiful blue color. Why don't we make a little experiment? I take a different shade of blue and I color.
I want to draw too.
Take this one. Very well, this is my bit.
Yeah.
And I'm just making our blue sky a bit more interesting. Adding different shade of blue and smudge it again. Take off this dust and let's clean our fingers with a paper towel a little bit. But don't wash them yet. Now let's go back to our red color. Let's make the tree trunk and the branches a bit more defined. But don't be afraid to go over the blue background that we painted. You can see the red is visible on blue. So you can draw with one color on top of another. This is the beauty of drawing with pastels. Maybe you have your favorite tree growing somewhere in your backyard or in the park. You can look at it and try to recreate its shape. I think that Mondrian was very clever using red color for the tree. I like how the branches overlap each other. Now, let's look at this painting again. Do you notice that he introduced a bit of blue color inside the tree trunk and the branches? I'm taking the blue pastel, I'm recreating his lines, resembling bark. Some lines here and there, very well, very well. A bit more lines. They go to different directions. Let's add a little bit blue here, create more intense color and darker shade. Smudge it a little bit. Let's look at this painting again. Notice that he added some yellow here at the top of the tree and some yellow and red here at the bottom. Shall we do the same?
Yeah.
Oh, very well. Let's draw yellow strokes in this direction, the grass. Very well. Some vertical strokes on the top of the tree, also following the branches. And now let's add some horizontal strokes. Some horizontal lines. Then let's add some red strokes
Yeah.
on the ground. You see, there are some red.
Oh.
Wonderful! I think our painting is ready. Look, little artists, at our creation. I think we've done a great job and we can't wait to see your drawings. Please do send them in our WhatsApp group. There is a link in the description below. You can join our friendly community there, receive our feedback and to say what you would like to see at the next art lessons. Shall we say goodbye?
Yeah.
Bye, little artists. Keep on creating. Don't forget to wash your hands.
I'd like to make another one.
Like make another one.
Yeah.